this is for you lot. As long as you're subscribed and you've obviously stayed the distance of what I'm doing now, all the commission that I earn off my Amazon affiliate link is for you, not me. I don't want it, it's for you. That's what I was going to do. Now you know I've got a trail cam. Where's my trail cam? Oh, it's there. I've got a trail cam. I'm holding it a bit away from me, so I hope you can hear me. It's not often to get out with this camera to try it out. It is a 360 video, but when you see it, it'll be a flat video, and I can choose where to point the camera. That's the idea. I got it in the first place. I can extend it a lot more, but it means I would have to talk the voice over on my phone and record it that way. So I'm recording it through the camera at the minute, so I'm hoping you can hear me. Oh, I've just walked all the way up here. That's Lancaster Canal down there. Can't see any canal boats. It has 5 microphones on this camera. I just wanted you to see what I see, and this is where I used to bring old Benji all the time. I could bring him up here with no lead, and if I said stop, he would just stop instantly and not move. So it was, you know, if somebody called me another bigger dog, I could just pick him up then. These other two are daft. I've got to be totally in the middle of nowhere with them. And George would just run off, you'd never see her again. And she's done it twice, but anyway.
I said 2 minutes, it's been 15, and we're still, we're still not done. Have a look. I'll re-record it when they're all here, so I can show everyone his names. I'll check YouTube, and then we'll pick two names. Okay, these are old people, so if you want to pause it or slowly, somehow slow it down. Right. Is it recording?
Yep.
Right, we're going to fold them all up now. Another hour, I think. One.
See you in about a week, guys. Right, is everybody ready for this? Get a jiggle.
I've checked up floor everywhere. No one's missing, and I've rechecked YouTube and there's no new comments, and it's 20 to 4.
We haven't dropped any nowhere.
Can I just say before we do this, them on my last video I mentioned about them being outside. I never noticed them before. There used to be caravans there. That's it. I never showed you, but that's what I ran about. It's in place. I think. I don't know why they were there. Anyway, at the end. Right.
You're not picking.
Alright.
It's me.
Yeah. What's this first one for though?
That camera thing, whatever you call it.
Trail cam.
That's it. Are we ready? I'm feeling nervous for him. I hope somebody nice wins.
Just good luck, everyone.
Yeah, good luck.
Got trail cam.
Right, if I put it over there.
I'll move this. Pappy's Travels. Congratulations. That's a trail cam.
Lucky you.
I think Smithy's cutting bits out of this video for his, I'm not sure, but that's for trail cam.
Yep.
Paddy's Travels.
And then this is for the wristband. Yeah?
Yeah, that wristband with paracord on and compass. Oh, that. Oh. Good luck. Sean Sean O. Congratulations. This is for
wristband.
Sean O.
Number 1 winner for trail cam. Number 2 winner for the wristband. Congratulations. Thank you to Smithy.
Thank you very much.
This is the field I flew me drone on, and I think it's titled the world's scariest drone flight. There's a big TV mast over there. I can actually pan while I'm talking to different spots, and there's the electric wires, you know, from Eastern Power Station go across, so I think it's a bad area to try and fly a drone in the first place. Behind me is Lancaster, the whole of Lancaster. A lot of it. You see the castle, you can't see the university. But I'll bring you a little bit closer just in case you can't hear anything I'm saying. This pole is about 10 foot tall, so it'll come into its own eventually. But we'll have a pan round. There's Heysham and its power stations. 2 nuclear power stations at Heysham. There's Morecambe Bay and the sea. What a view, the Cumbrian Mountains. And somebody mentioned they didn't like the fisheye on the camera. The reason it's a fisheye is so that I can point the camera wherever I want, hold it still, and then I can pan back and forth to anywhere. Anyway, as I said, I've got some links in the description to anything on Amazon that I use, and things that I give away or whatever, there'll be a link to that. If you want to click that link and go and buy something different on Amazon, or buy what I'm showing you, you know, I get the commission. And it's only 30 pence in about £30 I would earn, but it all added up, and it all added up to me being able to buy a couple of bits. So the trail cam was won by Happy's Travels, I think, and so well done to you. I'll have to look up who won the bracelet. I can't remember. I'm enjoying the view too much. But yeah, so there you go. So anyway, I've given a bit back to you. Obviously it doesn't cost me anything. You paid for it by clicking on the links in Amazon and then buying something. But I thought it was all fun, and Kelly and Tyler chose the names for me, and so I put a snippet of their video in this video showing you. You know, I think we had 200 comments, so they were. Poor Kelly, she wrote down all 200 names and then picked them out. It's a bit windy, you know, so it's a good test of the camera. Some people coming. It's a beautiful walk though, especially if you've got your dogs. Hello. I'm enjoying the scenery with my camera.
Oh, it's nice. Yeah.
You never know, one day this bench might have my name on it. Smithy and his Contiki sat here. If you ever come to Morecambe and you come off the M6, I think it's junction 36, straight down the bypass to Morecambe, you'll pass 2 laybys on your way. This is the second one. You can walk to Lancaster, get your bikes off, straight through, cycle straight through to Lancaster, bit of shopping, have a tour of Lancaster, straight down the canal and straight back down the canal to where we are. And it's a fabulous little parking spot. It's just been well thought out, and you can, and the view, well, you can see the view. Million joggers. Hello. Everybody's off work out there, so they're all jogging and running and doing whatever. Anyway, there's more joggers coming, so I'm going to be in the way. So we're going to go the horse there. Right, I'm Smithy. That's a Contiki. I hope you've enjoyed my little bit of a waffle, and I only did the video just to show you who won the stuff I was giving away. You know, the trail cam and the bracelet. Webb's Motorhome told me about. Subscribe to Chunky Monk. This is a nice lad. Tyler and Kelly. They've got their own van. They're going out in it soon, so their travels are going to begin. I know he likes antiques. He likes looking around antique shops, and he's a young lad, so his adventures are going to begin. And you know, they might do things that I haven't thought of. I know some people say it cost me a fortune, Smith, all the stuff I've been buying because of you. But anyway, yeah, Webb's Motorhome, he showed me, well, he told me not to drill into the wall of the van, so I'm not going to do. Come on, that's not running. Not that I can run, because I can't. Yeah, he told me about this not drilling in the wall, and Trevor from Postcock's Camping said put a bit of a bracket behind it, you know, a piece of wood to hold it on, but he did come out with an ingenious way of putting your TV there without actually, you know, making a mess of your van, because obviously I want to sell the van in time to come. Obviously upgrade it for a newer one. I'm not going to do that with holes everywhere and sticking holes all over the place. And so that's the reason behind that. And anyway, I hope you've enjoyed my bit of waffle and the bit of a view. Any more run? I'm not really blocking anybody's running exploits. Right, I'm Smithy. Getting a lot more used to speaking on camera in front of people. It doesn't bother me anymore. I do get a lot of people popping their own, you know, on this bypass when they see me. If that's been you, hello, how are you doing? I'll bring it down a bit, there we go. But yeah, if you ever come to Morecambe, you know, go stop on this bypass. Me and Stu stayed here for a few nights. You can't actually live on this bypass. There's 4 laybys, and you got to get here before wagons get here. So if you're here before 6 o'clock, otherwise wagons are here. But there's no parking time limits or anything. It hasn't been. Well, there was more joggers. There's a bin there, put your rubbish in. I won't get your bush box stove out and start cooking at the side of the road. But you know, there is certain laybys you can do that, and that's what we're going to do. You know, when we're allowed out, we can start doing, show you the meals in the bush box stove. And I've got another giveaway coming shortly, and I'm not going to dwell into it too much. I don't want you to know yet, but yeah, we've got another giveaway coming up soon. So I expect you to be doing this good stuff. Right, I'm going to go. I'm at my van, and Susie's just made a. I've just been to the shop for Susie's coffee. She wants a coffee, so I made her a cup of tea, but she doesn't like tea. That's good honest work, isn't it? Tractor. I don't think we'll automate them with electric. Anyway, let's get in the van. Oh, well, I hope you're still recording. Sun shines right at me. I'm blinded. Right, so obviously I'm Smithy. This is a Contiki. My TV's on the side there somewhere. I'm surprised nobody's broken and nicked it. God. So yeah, Sue seems to be just happy enough to just have it on the side. Anyway, we'll sort something out because another fella has sent me another gift. Thank you. I haven't picked it up yet. Sue's going to go and pick it up. Sue's going to pick that up for me after. Anyway, so we'll have some more waffle and some more. Who's having a look around his van? Check your wheel nuts. As I said, I'm Spiffy. This is a Contiki, and I'm going to see you again. So stay safe, be lucky, and do the set for life ticket for tonight like I have. If I win and I earn a fortune, I'll give this van to one of you. I'll buy another one. Right, I'm going. Ta-da!